Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to add PAN number to your Google Ads account. Log into your Google Ads account. Click on the Settings and Billing icon. Now under Billing section, click on Settings. Scroll down. Click the pencil icon next to India Tax Info. Select your tax status. Copy and paste your PAN number. Scroll down and click Save. That's it. PAN number has been added to your Google Ads account. This is how you can add your PAN number to your Google Ads account. Thank you for watching.